Hello guys, you are welcome to today's training. I'm going to be showing you how to do splash gold 3D animation logo. But before that, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for my free stuff. Go to Kinemaster, and then choose your ratio as 16.9, and then go to media and choose the black color. Adjust it to about 17 seconds, and then yes, make sure it's well adjusted, and then you go back to media and bring in your the gold splash. Then set your playhead to 6.0. just shift it there to 6.0 so that the next thing you are bringing in will not start from the beginning just like the others. So go to media and bring in your white logo. That's my logo, mega bright. So adjust it to the gold dust, let it end the same timeline, and then make sure it is well adjusted. Adjust it, both the hand also, make sure it is well adjusted, and then come back, bring it back to where that playhead was, and go to media. Also, you bring this effect bevel. If you don't have it, there's a logo like an icon like a house. You can download it from there, from Kinemaster itself. So I should bring it in, make sure it is also well adjusted. Yes, highlight that effect and go to setting. Alright, so adjust the strength to 22, then the precision, which is the last option there, adjust it to 12 and click OK. Alright, so that has been done. So you go to media and bring in the second gold template there, and then you click split screen. Then after the of the square split screen there, click it. Alright, so make sure they are well adjusted. They are well adjusted. Okay, good. So make sure it is well adjusted. Then click on that one you brought in last and go to blending. Go to blending and choose multiply. So you click on the first gold splash, go to these three dotted lines and click front, bring it to the front. That means you are bringing it to the front. Still leave it highlighted, go to blending and choose screen. Okay, so it will look this way, and then mark OK. Make sure everything is well adjusted. Then click on that first gold and choose animation, out animation. Then you select feed, and you go to the other one underneath it, go to out animation and also choose feed. Alright, good. So go to your, and make sure you bring go and bring your logo, but make sure the cursor is at the end of the effect and so bring the logo so that there can be a continuous of your white logo there. You can see what I'm doing. Then there can be a continuous of that. Then you increase that black, yes, so that the gold. Then at the end of your logo, the first logo, not the one you just imported, make sure that you trim the last gold plate you brought in. Trim it there so that that effect of gold will not be on it when the white logo appears. Is that clear? Okay, so you can now bring a text and put it after that white logo, mega bright. That is the full meaning of that MB you saw. Okay, click, and then you select, adjust it, bring it to the position where you want it to be. Then you select the font. This is the font that I like under Latin. Yes, and so you can see my font has been changed, and then I will export my. So this is the view. You can see how beautiful this is looking at. So you try this on your own. You should understand something. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. I share free stuff on this channel, free training on this channel. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.